Hi, I'm Sarah Valois, a member of our counseling services team here at WSU, and I also have a role in sexual assault response and prevention here on campus. I work closely with the Title IX office when needed to support students to understand their options as they go through the Title IX process. We know that if you've experienced sexual assault, sexual violence, relational violence, any forms of discrimination, harassment, or stalking, or retaliation, that these things can have a significant impact on you as a student and impact your ability to be successful here on campus. We also know that if you've experienced any of these things in your life before, that the response and impact may be greater. If you have experienced sexual assault or relational violence or forms of discrimination or harassment, pay attention to what happens for you. Some people experience shock or numbness, and they might withdraw from their friends, from their activities. Some people aren't able to go to class the way they were. They may find themselves to be anxious, not able to study, not able to focus on things. For some individuals, this results in maybe turning to substances or other unhealthy coping mechanisms so that they can deal with what they're feeling and what they've experienced. Some individuals may experience flashbacks or nightmares or have trouble sleeping. They may experience more depression, again, more anxiety. They may even have headaches or feel nauseous because of what's happened. These things clearly have a big impact on someone's ability to do well when they're here at Worcester State. And we know that these symptoms don't always happen right after events. Sometimes they happen later. So pay attention to what's happening for you and reach out if you need support. There are a variety of supports here on campus that can help you. The confidential options that we have with health services, campus ministry, and counseling services can support you if you're feeling any of these things or struggling as a result of an incident that's happened. Our health services team can help you assess your medical options and take care of your medical needs. Our campus ministry team can support you spiritually if you need guidance or support. And our counseling services office offers a range of services to support you. We have individual and group support and counseling. We offer connection to outside resources if needed. If you'd like to work with someone at a center in Worcester instead of on campus, we can connect you to local advocates. We can support you again with your options through Title IX or with processing the traumatic events that have happened for you, either short-term or long-term. We can also support you in any crisis intervention that might be needed to better help you as you deal with the things that may have happened. On campus, we do a variety of prevention efforts and awareness campaigns. We have a group called the SAVE Task Force, the Sexual Assault Violence Education Task Force, and that group is a collaboration of individuals from academic and student affairs and student representatives who take a role in prevention and education campaigns on campus. We do a variety of events for Domestic Violence Awareness Month, Sexual Assault Awareness Month on campus. There are resource cards throughout campus with numbers for campus supports and off-campus supports when needed. We do One Love programming to help identify healthy relationships and identify the aspects of unhealthy relationships. We have a RAD class on campus that's done in collaboration with our Wellness Center and our University Police Department for those interested in learning defense techniques. Our Women's Gender and Sexuality Studies program also does a lecture series throughout the year that highlights some of these important topics specific to women's or gender-based violence. We also have our online programming through Everfi that you'll learn more about, which will help give you the tools to identify sexual violence situations and also to help prevent them. Here at Worcester State, we speak up, WSU. This is our bystander intervention campaign, and we know that you as students have a role to discourage, interrupt, or even prevent sexual or relational violence. If you see something or hear something, say something. Speak up. Your orientation leaders are going to talk to you more about the 3 Ds and ways and options that you have to intervene if you see something that doesn't seem right. Speak up and have a role. Help us ensure that this campus is a safe, healthy, living and learning community where you can be successful. Thank you.